Welcome. If you want to enter split screen mode in the Huawei P30 Pro after the new update, for the first you have to drag from the left edge of your smartphone. And right now we got these applications at the bar. So if you want to open this mode, you have to take one of the following application. If you don't have it right here, you have to scroll down and then tap on this marker. And for example, we can add here this calendar. So click, and it was add, right? And also we can do this, for example, for the Google Maps, and then tap on it done. Right now, if you want to get the application in the split screen mode, just select one of the following. So I'm going for the YouTube. So click, hold, and then drag. Then open it one more time. And right now, take second application. So let's go for the maps. Click, hold, and then drag. And as you can see, right now we are back and the split screen. With this switcher you can also adjust the size of the application. If you want to exit, of course you have to swipe like that. And the very important is that if you want to open this app, you don't have to just click on it. I mean, like if you go for the YouTube and if you click, you get this application in pop-up view, right? So you don't have to just click on it, you have to click, hold, and then drag. Okay, and right now it is open. So that's how it looks. I hope that I'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!